Hello everyone, thank you for checking out my video. Let's give it some loving and we will start making a centerpiece for a theme called Grandma's Purse Full of Candies. I know it's a silly one. I don't think there is such a thing as a theme like that, but I made it up and I think it would work perfect for that special grandma that always has candies for her grandkids to give away. Okay, supplies that we will need, obviously, guessed it right, purse or purses, bunch of candies. We will need some greens and flowers depending on whatever fillers you have. We will need a hot glue gun with glue sticks, some sticks. I can't remember what they're called, maybe kebab sticks. They're usually for your kitchen, for meat. If you can remember the proper name, tell me in the comments because I'm blank at this point. I painted them just so they don't stick out or stand out too much, just to make them blend with greens. And basically glue 2 candies on the stick. Don't get too wild with the glue because you don't want to melt the candies. And depending on what kind of wrapping, keep that in mind as well. So I got a few sticks per purse just to have that like a little bouquet kind of thing. Here I have a few old purses that I'm gonna use flowers and greens. When you choosing purses, make sure that they are more of a stable purses that will stand and not flap over. I have floral foam and some bags because you will soak the foam in the water and then put them in the bag just so it doesn't leak in your purse. Few tips on floral foam. When you are buying, you will see there are dry foams and wet foam. In this case you need wet one because you are working with live flowers. If you are working with some artificial flowers, you're totally fine with dry foam. In this case we're looking for wet foam, and when you are soaking it with water, make sure you just fill the bucket with water and put the foam on top and let it absorb water, and as it absorbs it will sink and be full of water. You don't want to submerge in the water because that will create a bubble of water and the inside will be empty, and that's not what we want in this case. So here I'm just filling in with greens and some flowers, and then I will put a couple sticks with candies. And here's another completed one. If you do create this kind of centerpiece, please tag me on Instagram, LNVDecor. I would love to see your work. Also, let me know in comments what other projects you want me to do, and I would love to share that with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.